Hello my dear friends, how are you all? Once again welcome back to my channel. It's DIY craft videos. How are you all guys? Hope you are enjoying your days. In this video I am going to show you burlap fabric craft ideas for your home decorations. What is burlap fabric used for? Even though the most common use of burlap is in making burlap sacks for carrying a lot of different things, including cement and coffee beans. Burlap is used in another industries like art, craft, home decor, and wrapping paper. What material looks like burlap? Linen canvas, another natural fiber fabric that resembles burlap is this Brazil 12 oz linen in color grey tan. Woven in a loose plain weave style, burlap is many see very beautiful and very elegant burlap fabric craft that are used for home decoration items. If you watch my full video till end, you will see a very beautiful and very pretty craft ideas. Burlap or jute is a natural fiber that is useful for a wide variety of purposes, including shrub and bush protection, weed control, mulching, miscellaneous crafting needs, and much more. Burlap can be used to keep plants snug through the winter. During winter months, pots can be wrapped or nestled in burlap to help retain heat, and light layers of cover can help protect plants from frost. I really hope that you will like all the information. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.